Okay, here's part 2 showing the other space available in this building. This would be 13,000 euro for what's going to be shown. The previous video showed the space for 30,000 available. Now this is a large room and the bathroom's off of it. So you could make it into kind of a master suite, or you could have it as a common area. It has a lovely balcony off of it. A lot of light in this room. The bathroom is in good shape, other than there's a couple spaces on the wall that need to be repaired, and a few places in the unit also that would need just the plastering repaired. This is not a full bathroom. It has, I call them a baby bath, but they have the little tubs, so just kind of a quick shower situation. See right above there's a little problem with the plastering, also right there. So that would have to be kind of treated, tiled, but good to have a bathroom on this floor. You walk across, and this space, and I'm explaining how it would be if you purchase the other house. That's the door entry. If you purchase the other house and use this to add on, and at the end I'll tell you if you just wanted this space, how it would work for you. Crossing over to here, this would be a great space to have like a Murphy bed against that wall, or you can close it off and have a room. It would, I think though, it wouldn't be so open and light and bright. So to have that Murphy bed or a day bed with the trundle kind of thing would be terrific for a guest kind of living. That's just a closet. Probably open up that closet door a little and make it a bigger space for you, more open for walk-in. You're going to go down the stairs here, and again, it's kind of a porthole type window, but it does offer lighting. And this is another unique space. Also could be used with the same kind of Murphy bed or having a trundle bed. It goes down after this into the kitchen, so it's a little harder because of the pathway to kind of close it off for a room. But you could if you wanted to. It's going to have another balcony. So a lot of, not outdoor space necessarily, but yeah, it's good, nice and airy and breezy and good lighting. As you see, we didn't switch any of the lights on here, and it was just fine. Now, the next floor down is going to be the street level, and it's going to be the kitchen area. This gal walks with heels. I don't know how Italians could do that everywhere. I sure had tennis shoes on. That's going to be the front door that will open from this side of the building. And I'll show you this side of the building at the end. So you would, if you're only buying it for this space, that would be your entryway. And then here's the kitchen. Now, the kitchen does need updating for sure. Those windows are nice to have too because of the breeze. The washer and dryer hookups are right there, but you could probably do at least a stackable to make it have more room. And around the corner, there's a closet that is easily used as a pantry. And the other closet here, right here, you'd have built-in shelves. So it could be definitely function better. So if you were using this as an extension to the other house, this would be a great utility space, laundry space, have a quick little kitchenette here. So easy to grab things from the other floors. If you were only wanting to buy this space, this is again 13,000 euro. This would be your front door. You'd come into the kitchen. I'd probably do the next level up to be a dining area, and then the next level up to be a Murphy bed situation for a guest room, and then the other bedroom, have a bedroom, and then the living room area, entertainment kind of area. So up to you. This would be great add-on if you are looking for more space. It is a little bit disjointed, but that's very common in Italy. If you're interested in buying it, I'll put the contact information in the description, in the comments, and always on the YouTube page. That's where I update everything if things have sold. It's just much easier for me there. If you look at the previous video, you'll see where the parking is up the street and down the street.